Hey you all, it's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you all how to install this wig which I received from Tinashe Hair. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Please feel free to go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll always see when I'm uploading. So this is how the package looks when you receive it. Also, these are the things that will be inside of your package. I am using Got To Be Free spray to mold down my cap. So fast forward, I'm going to apply makeup to my cap and cut it. So as you can see, I've already did that step. Now I'm going in with my Chick Bond glue, which is the extreme hold. And I'm going to apply that right before the cap for me to lay the hair down. Also, I used a total of 2 layers of the glue. Now that that is pretty much dry, now I'm going to go ahead and start putting the wig on. Now that the wig is installed, I am going in with my powder and I'm just applying that towards the front just to better make it blend with my complexion. So now I'm going ahead and getting ready to style the hair. As we all know, colored hair tends to have more flyaways, so I'm going in with my Carrot Hair wax stick to make those flyaways stay as flat as possible. And for the last part, I just did the straightening off camera, so this is just the final look. The link for purchasing the hair will be down in the description. If you would like to return, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell notification so you'll always get the chance to see when I'm uploading. Also, follow me on all of my social media platforms. I'll catch you all later. Bye, loves.
Attention is expensive to pay.